Good evening, Andy boy.
Dapat jawab benar.
Okay, Andy, I will share to you the screen now. You wait for a minute. Sorry. Okay, so Andy boy. Okay, Andy, I have here the lesson. Okay, are you ready, Andy? Wednesday, tomorrow is 9 p. Okay, Andy, are you ready? Okay, Andy, please tell me you're ready. Andy, Okay, so we have here, Andy, we have the word argue. It means to speak angrily. Okay, I argue. When I argue, I speak angrily. Another is siblings. Oh, sorry. Siblings is a brother or sisters. That are siblings. Okay, another the one is, okay, relationship. It's the way in which a person is related to somebody else, the family. Adults, it's a fully grown person who is legally responsible for their actions. Fight, struggle against somebody. Something is using physical, like, oh, fight. Okay. Next, we have here the word excited about. It means to feel enthusiastic about something. I'm excited about. Okay, like that. Okay. Another one is to scare or affair. Okay. Another one is good at, competent, skillful, clever at doing something. And pleased about, it means to feel pleasure, satisfaction about something similar to. To be alike, have characteristic in common. Similar to. Okay. Similar to, it means the same. Alike, the same. Pleased about, it means you feel pleasure, you satisfied, you're happy. Good at, it means clever and the competent and skillful. Okay, very strong. Frightened, it means scared. You are scared, Andy. Okay, next one. Different from, not the same. When you say, Andy, you're different from, it means you are not the same, Andy. Okay. You're different from, it means you are not the same. You're different from me. You're different from someone else. It means you are not the same. Okay. Another, Andy, is to give attention to something. You're interested in something. You worried about. Okay. Proud of. Okay. You proud, you feel satisfaction and pleasure. You are proud of. Okay. You are proud of. Okay. Next one, very interested. You're eager or wanting to do something very much. You're keen on. You are keen on. So it means you are very interested. You read the questions and the at start of the text, which are true for you. Okay? Which are true for you. Please try to put check if you think it's true. You put check if you think the statement 1, 2, 3, 4 is true. If not, do not put check. Okay?
Chỉ là nghe tiếng cho anh gọi thử đi.
Giờ con sử dụng cái tag. Cái này đừng tag đó.
Nghe không chưa?
Nghe rồi.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, teacher. Oh.
Okay, I can't have secrets. Okay, this is which is true for you. Number one, I don't get well with my brother. He's very different from me and we argue a lot. Okay, I can't have secrets when my brother is around. He reads text messages, which is true with you. This one?
Yeah, teacher.
Okay. Sometimes I want to be alone, but my sister is always there. My sister uses my things, but she doesn't ask me first. I hate that. Okay. Okay, please try to match gaps 1 to 4, Andy. 1, Andy, wait, ha. 1, 2, 3, 4. Match the gaps. And put it here. Okay?
Yeah, teacher.
Can you just dance, babe? Dance. Dance na ba? Chắc là làm vẽ hồ phiên bản là đọc thấy phiên bản đây giống thổi ai ơi ơi.
Thầy teacher.
So number 1 is letter A. Very good, Andy boy. This is about brotherly love. To Andy, it's letter A. Okay, to okay. According to the website, the answer is around the age of 25. Okay, wait. Ayaw. Ayaw. Read. It's letter B. Okay, but other brother and sisters get on well from an early age. Okay, it's letter C. We get on well and we don't argue. Okay, and 4 is B. 4 is B. Okay, Andy boy. Okay, go Andy. Okay, so here Andy. Listen to the complete text. Check your answer. Okay.
Lesson 1.
Okay, we have here. Choose the best summary, Andy. What do you think is the best summary of the text? Okay, which do you think of this? Is the best summary of what brotherly love all about? Okay. Please check your answer. A, B, or C.
Is C.
Let us see. The answer is letter A. A lot of teenagers nowadays, Andy, do not get on well with their brothers and sisters, right? Like this. So sometimes we have fight with our brothers and sisters. However, the relationship is usually good when they are adults. So when they become adults in the future, the relationship is okay. Okay? Now, adjectives you read and learn from this box. Okay? So please try to put example angry about. You choose here which do you think is the correct preposition to write on. Okay.
Dạ cái gì đó. Xong rồi con phá các bạn.
Okay? So angry about different and the different from 3. Interested in keen. Are you sure it's being good? Keen? So wait, Andy. Wait, nga naman ha. Ano naman na? Wait, Andy. Wait. Hindi mo kaya siya dito. Wait, may mo dito. Purple. Purple, but kaya lagi ma. Wait. Okay, worried, keen on, proud of, worried about, or worried at. Oh, ito kay Andy. Go, Andy. Okay, so here. Now, Andy, please, in the task to complete these questions with the correct preposition. Then, answer the questions. Okay, example, are you similar to your brother or sister? You answer this one. In the chat box, ha? Or you can answer here. Please write the correct preposition.
Okay, teacher. Okay, teacher. Okay, teacher.
Okay, so we have here Andy boy. Okay. Okay, wait. Okay, wait. I will give the answer. Are you interested in the same things? Are you good at the same school subjects with your brother, huh? Are you keen to the same TV programs? Are your brother or sister's hobbies different from yours? Okay, Andy. Andy boy, please try to answer this one. Do you have brothers or do you have sisters?
I have brother.
Okay, if you have brother, please answer this one, okay? You write your answer in the chat box. Answer the question.
Yes. I'm a teacher.
Andy, answer.
I don't know. Teachers.
Okay. Okay. Are you similar to your brother or sister, Andy? Are you similar, Andy?
Yeah, teacher.
Yes. Oh, louder, louder. Are you similar, Andy?
Yeah, teacher.
Okay. Are you interested in the same things? Are you interested in the same things?
No, teacher.
No, teachers. Are you good at the same school subjects?
Yeah, teacher.
Okay. Then, um, are you keen on the same TV programs? Do you watch TV programs the same?
Yeah, teacher.
Oh, are your brother hobbies different from yours or the same, Andy?
Safe.
The same. Oh, what is your hobby? You tell me your hobby. What is your hobby, Andy?
Watch TV.
How about your brother, a sister? What is the hobby of your sister?
Is is read a book.
Read a book. Your sister read a book. Okay. Now, okay. So, Andy, let us have another topic here. With me, huh? Ta-da-dang, tang, 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 tang. Ta-da-dang, tang, 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 tang. Andy boy. Andy boy. Okay, let us have.
Bà Nhi ơi, bà Nhi, cô.
1.4 reading.
Cô dậy chưa con?
Rồi.
With me, Andy. Okay, so we have Andy different vocabulary. We have soup powder, or this one. Attach, it means Andy, you will attach. You will fasten, or you will join one thing. Shallow, Andy, it means deep. Again, shallow, it means deep. Forbid, it means to order somebody not to do something. Okay. Next is one Andy. Please, Andy, write your answer. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, number one. Okay, from Juan to Maria. Do you still want to buy my guitar? Pedro wants it too. Okay, it's letter A. Juan will sell Maria his guitar if she wants it. Okay. The math homework. Some of you have told me the homework is a bit difficult. So if you haven't finished it by Friday, you can hand it on Monday. Okay, very good, Andy. Okay, another one, Andy. Ano man ang sikat-sikat, sikat-sikatan ng kanino? Ha? Anong sikat-sikatan kanino?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, next. Done. Don't forget to put your football shirt in the washing machine as soon as you get home from the match. Add soup powder and turn dial to number 3. Okay, letter C. Okay. So here, what does Sarah need to know? What does Sarah need to know? It's letter E. If the food at the restaurant will be all right to Janine. Okay, wow, very good. Okay, last one, Andy. Very good, Andy boy.
Okay, teacher.
Okay. A part of the pool is not deep enough for letter A. Diving. Okay, we have vocabulary. We have the word label, Andy, up to date, things to another specialized tip. Okay, label up to date, to fasten or join one thing to another. Specialize, deep, try on, unusual, unique. Okay. So Andy, we don't have enough time for now. Yeah, Teacher Ann will say goodbye because Teacher Ann will be having another class. Okay, Andy boy?
Okay.
Yeah, I will see you on Saturday.
Wow. Bye,
Bye-bye.
teacher. See